The bird's afraid of the drone. There's her nest. Yeah, let's go over that way, Larry, so the bird's not afraid of the... Oh!
I chased that thing off.
Oh, I've had the birds chase. Oh. The birds are chasing it. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Oh, that was good.
Oh, the swallows are
wanting to get rid of that thing. Oh my goodness, they're still doing it. Still angry. Oh, here comes another one.
Oh my gosh. I had a hawk try to get my other drone. I was down the street. It'll follow me.
I don't dare take more than about 2 miles away.
Your house is 2 miles away?
Well, it's not running like that.
But I had a hawk try to get mine, so I took it right down to the ground.
Wow. Well, they ain't bothering it now.
Oh, there they are.
There they are.
They're circling the wagons. They're kind of saying, what kind of bird is that? Ooh, Larry, you're too close. Yeah.
What kind of bird makes that noise, huh?
Yeah, really.
Wow.
Turn it to where it looks at me. Look at Peggy and Ruby. Now I have it look at you guys. What do old people do? E.T. E.T. drone home.
Isn't that amazing? Wow.
How long will I stay up for? Just over half an hour.
Unless it's cold. If it's cold, then it's
How much battery do I have left?
20 minutes.
About 75% left. I still do a little bit of flying.
Okay.
I'll do it.
But don't scare the birds. Go somewhere for the birds, away from their nest. Go after that eagle across the street. Oh.
The urgent thing is to see how fast the thing goes up. You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to take it straight up.
Wow.
Take it right up out of sight.
Wow.
You won't be able to see it. It'll be up too high.
Jeremy got Kathy a toy, a new toy.
It's like
A purple thing.
and turn it.
A purple one?
Purple 22. Oh, to Dick's Sporting Goods and buy it. Jean's got one and I got one.
Really? You can
And
barely
I think
see
it
it.
goes, what, 50 feet or something?
Really?
Yeah, it goes a long ways.
Wow, I'm gonna have to get me some
Is it? I don't know, but it goes a long ways.
far away. Enough to. There's the swallows.
We had, we've got a little birdhouse that swallows come back to every year.
Yeah, they come to that trailer there.
Yeah, they come every year. And,
Paul, use the tongs, okay?
they come every year, but they've already raised their one batch this year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Circle the wagons.
Oh, that bird
Wow.
says, what's the deal here?
Mary. Mary. Yeah, poor.
She got fleas?
No, she has allergies. And I have to give her allergy shots. They're like, they're $100 a piece. But last 3 months. But I give her the shots, so I save $45. The swallows do not like E.T. Yikes.
Wow.
Close enough.
That is fun.
Something else.
Oh, those poor birds.
Is that crazy? What is that crazy or what?
Yeah, that's really something else.
That is fun, yes.
Yeah.
Jean's got one. He's just